So that's not my fault. That is not my fault. Well, it could be my fault. There's a good possibility that's my fault. It's hot out here. Hot. So once again, Mel has left me to my own devices, which is probably why this gimbal's not working. Ooh, there it is. Is that it? That is it. Dropped Mel off at the airport earlier this morning to go see some friends, hang out in Charleston for a week or so. Solo. Check out these gnats. What's up with these gnats? You guys see them? So yeah, in about a week, I'm going to be leaving for Winston Salem. It's going to be me and Hun Dog solo on the road for a couple of days till we get there. Right now, we have this issue with the awning though. So did get it repaired, got it operating just fine, but then tidying everything up, I cut through the cord for the motor. So it was at that point I became very upset. Pondered on it a few days, and then we decided that we were just going to take it off and that we were going to put a manual awning, which we've been wanting to do anyway, on there coming up shortly. So this little dog's been watching me load everything up inside the camper and the truck and get everything ready. You ready to go bye-bye? Let's go bye-bye. Come on, let's go. Shout out to Dock and Stow. Love it. Turn it. Magnet is on. You ready to go, little dog? All right, so it's Daddy and Honey for the first couple of days. We're on our way to the next chapter. That's going to be Winston-Salem, North Carolina. So we've got a couple of days to get there. Let's go. All right, so we've checked all the tires, wheels, everything out. I usually like to try and do that when we stop at the rest stops to use the bathroom or whatever. It's been a little weird. She's just kind of slept and it's been kind of quiet because Mel is not with us. Never really taken the camper anywhere, or our camper anywhere alone, because it's a little odd not having two people checking things, looking at things, and being the one that's responsible for everything. So trying to go slow, make sure I don't forget anything and don't mess anything up, because I don't normally do the stuff on the insides. I think we're about an hour and a half away from the stop for the night. We've been to this campground before. It was a nice stop. They had a real nice field with some horses and everything there, so hopefully that's still the case. We can go pet some horsies. So yeah, it looks like they've really done a lot of work around this campground. It's been about 2 years since we've been here. This is Cherokee Campground in Blacksburg, South Carolina. They have paved everything recently, it looks like, and they got a brand new office and entrance area. This is all new. Everybody's happy. Welcome back. It is a couple days later, actually. So we've been traveling by ourselves for the past couple of days, and let me tell you, it's a different experience when you're used to traveling, with your partner. Honey's been here to keep me company, though, haven't you, baby dog? Yeah, so I just had a bath. So the good news is, Mom, Mel, is about an hour away. All right, so this is kind of where we're at. here in North Carolina. It's a nice little quiet park. There's not a whole lot of anything around, but a little bit of a creek right here. Pretty nice. That runs all the way pretty much through the middle of the park and down through the woods about 4/10 of a mile. There's a trail over there that takes you to the river. I haven't been down there yet because I've been waiting for mail to get here. We'll do that together. But yeah.
Hi.
Mel's back.
Oh, now you decide to bark?
Now you gonna bark? Why are you barking? Because Mel's back? Guess we didn't like the organization of the cabinet at 9 o'clock at night.
No, I didn't. Just needed, rearrange.
Tidy it up a bit.
Sort the crackers.
Yeah, it's tidied up.
Or maybe I was looking for a snack. I don't really know.
Facts.
Yeah.
All right, spit them out. We're doing Corky. This is a shell station.
So the single-story shell station in the shape of a giant scallop shell was built by R.H. Burton and his son Ralph in 1930 at Sprague and Peachtree Streets in Winston-Salem. And I'm sure that I have said that name wrong, so correct me, please.
Sprague. Cool.
The owners of the oil company decided to attract customers through a series of shell-shaped service stations. They built at least 8 in the Winston-Salem area, but the station at Sprague and Peachtree is the only one remaining. Some gas. Check out the pump. I mean, hey, this is...
So with these old pumps, you fill it up to the however many gallons you're going to get, and then it drains by gravity.
And then it's gravity fed?
Yeah.
Well, that's really cool.
Because back when I was first driving back in the 30s.
When you first started driving, when
Yeah.
you first got your license?
Yeah, way back then.
Okay, well then you're definitely older than I am.
Yeah, for sure.
So Winston-Salem's innovative new urban park reimagines the term green space.
These the smokestacks?
Yeah, these are smokestacks, and they intermittently release water vapor, and it's illuminated at night. So it seems to be pretty cool to see at night.
There's no water vapor coming.
This is a half-acre park. It sits between the city's vibrant arts district and Wake Forest University's innovation quarter. So they incorporated, some steel, the steel sawhorses.
Uh-huh.
So visitors to Winston-Salem can find the park easily. It's situated between Liberty Street, between 6th and 7th Streets in the heart of downtown. So
Well, yes, it is.
Yes, it is. So we can take a walk around the block here and see all of the murals that are painted by local artists. So on the ground are these is a red stripe that leads you all the way around the block and takes
leads you back to the park.
And then leads you back to the park.
Well,
How nifty is that?
how groovy.
This was the Tobacco Soho building with the little metal sculpture of the guy with his saxophone up there. That's kind of cool. Oh, this is a cool little district. All these fun little shops and boutiques and lots of bars and restaurants.
Oh, check that out. That's cool.
Look at the sculpture on the top of that building.
Okay,
That's really pretty.
That's great. Scooters.
Oh, scooters! Yay!
Spin.
I tell you, after going to Paris and riding the scooters all over the place, love it.
Yeah, we may have to rent some of those sometime. Spin scooters.
Spin.
Yeah. Spoilt rotten.
Hey, I love talking on the phone. But hey, I just can't wait to have you home. Oh, I'm alright for now.
suppers. Taking the suppers.
Sorry, that was just so pretty with the light.
Yeah. So Pilot Mountain. We'll see if we can catch the sunset. Should be here in a few minutes. Pilot Mountain State Park.
Yeah, so it's located in Surrey and Yadkin counties, 20 miles northwest of Winston Salem.
All right, well, there's Winston Salem out there. See, right out there, yep.
On the other side of that tree.
On the other side of that tree right there, yep.
And Greensboro is way over there.
Yep, way down there. Oh, it's beautiful. Check it out. Wow. It's gorgeous.
That's gorgeous.
It's not going to portray
So
it.
hey, why should we wait another night?
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, I'm alright for now, but I
All right, guys, that's going to do it for this one from the top of Pilot Mountain here in North Carolina. Make sure you
Hit the subscribe button.
thumbs up, and because if you don't subscribe, you don't know what's going on. So, right? All right, guys. Until next time, take care of each other.
Love each other.
Make every moment count.
See ya. Hit the like button. Leave us a comment.
We got a little lens flare in my mouth. See you guys.